everybody, welcome to another guitar lesson video. Today I'm going to show you a simple finger exercise that you can use to get warmed up on the guitar, or I also like to show this to my brand new guitar students. First thing I show them is how to do this exercise, and this is good to get coordinating your picking hand and your fretting hand working together. I also like to show you where to put your thumb and also where to put your fingers on the frets to get the best sound. Okay, so let's get started with the exercise. Now, I'm going to use the terms 1, 2, 3, and 4 for your fingers. Index fingers 1, middle fingers 2, ring finger is 3, and pinky is 4. All right, and these are the frets. So if I say first fret, you're going to put it on this first little space here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now that's on the 6th string. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the skinniest string all the way up to the 6th string being the biggest string. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. First fret with the first finger, second fret, second finger, third fret, third finger, fourth fret, fourth finger. We're going to do that for each string. So go to the next string, 5th string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next string, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have a tendency sometimes to either take your thumb off of the neck. Make sure you kind of keep it planted there on the back of the neck, almost like you're going to give the back of the neck a fingerprint of your thumb. Just keep it posted there, okay? Next string, 3rd string, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Next string, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last string, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so once you got all the way to the first string, then you're going to move up 1 fret, and we're going to start at the 5th fret now and go backwards. So I'm on the 5th fret, 1st string, with my pinky, just going 1 fret at a time. Then you go down to the next string. Now we're on the 2nd string. Just keep going until you reach the 6th string, 1st finger. All right, from there, if you want to keep going, you can just move up 1 fret and start over. Once you get there, you're going to move up 1 fret again and go backwards. It's going to be a little slower at first, but just try to get used to picking the string that you're on and fretting the fret that you're on. Now, one thing to think about is every time you hit a fret, typically the sweet spot, let's say I'm on the 2nd fret, using my middle finger, the best spot is right here, not too far back on the fret because you're going to get some buzz. You want to scoot it up. And you don't want to be on top of the actual fret because you're going to get a buzz that way too. You might get some funky sounds there, so just keep it a little bit back to where there's more space on this side than this side. Okay. Once you get good at this, you can make it a little bit harder by going downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke. So you're alternate picking each fret. So I got 1st fret is a downstroke, 2nd fret is an upstroke. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. This will help you with speed. It's a little bit more of an efficient way to pick the guitar in certain situations. So you can really increase your speed a lot faster that way. All right, that's pretty much it for the exercise. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Visit my social medias. We'll see you in another video. Thanks.